हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कंप्यूटर ज्ञान। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मोस्ट कॉमन यूजेबल एंड इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्टकट कीज़ इन कंप्यूटर, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंप्यूटर में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाली इम्पोर्टेंट कीज़ को, जो कि एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है। इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम शॉर्टकट की से जुड़े हुए MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे। शॉर्टकट कीज़ की PDF फाइल का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, तो आप वहां से PDF फाइल को भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। हमारी फर्स्ट शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल प्लस ऑल्ट प्लस डिलीट। इट इज़ यूज टू स्टॉप एन एप्लीकेशन और रीस्टार्ट विंडोज़। विंडोज़ की प्लस E to open the file explorer. Windows key plus L to lock your computer. Windows key plus D to show or hide desktop. Alt plus Tab key to switch between open application. Control plus D to bookmark the current website. Control plus Shift plus T to open the last tab you closed. Control plus A to highlight everything in the current folder, document or page. Control plus C to copy the selected text, image or item to the clipboard. Control plus X to cut the selected text, image or folder and move it to the clipboard. Control plus B to paste contents of the clipboard into the current program or window. Control plus F to open up a search window. Control plus S to save an open document, file or web page. Control plus Z to undo the last action performed. Control plus P to print the current document or page. Control plus N to open a new window, file or document. Control plus W to close the current window. Control plus B to bold the text. Control plus I to italic the text. Control plus L to left align paragraph. Control plus E to center align paragraph. Control plus R to right align the paragraph. Control plus J to justify the paragraph. Control plus K to create a hyperlink. Alt plus Enter to add a line break within the same cell. Shift plus spacebar key to highlight the entire row. Control plus G open go to dialog box. Control plus Tab key To switch between open browser tabs. Ctrl plus U. To underline content in selected text. Ctrl plus H. To open Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl plus W. To close file, document or workbook. Ctrl plus by. To repeat the last action. Ctrl plus Shift plus colon sign. To enter the current time in Excel file. Ctrl plus semicolon sign. To enter the current date in Excel file. Ctrl plus backspace key. To delete one word to the left. Ctrl plus delete. To delete one word to the right. Ctrl plus 9. To hide the selected rows in Excel file. Ctrl plus 0. To hide the selected columns. Ctrl plus O. To display the open dialog box to open a file. Ctrl plus Shift plus C. To copy formatting only in PowerPoint file. Ctrl plus Shift plus B. To paste formatting only in PowerPoint file. Ctrl plus Alt plus B. To paste special in PowerPoint file. Ctrl plus Shift plus F. To open the font dialog box to change the font. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than arrow sign. To increase the font size in PowerPoint file. Ctrl plus Shift plus less than arrow. To decrease the font size in PowerPoint file. Ctrl plus equal sign. To apply subscript formatting. Ctrl plus Shift plus sign. To apply superscript formatting. Ctrl plus spacebar key. To remove subscript and superscript formatting. F1 key. To open the help menu. F2 key. To rename file, folder or image. F3 key. To search file, folder or image. F4 key. To open address bar in Internet Explorer. F5 key. To refresh the computer. F6 key. To activate the menu bar in a document. F7 key. To check spellings and grammatical mistakes in a document. F8 key. To start boot process during the loading of operating system. F9 key. It also helps to start the boot process. F10 key. To activate program menu in a document. F11 key. To view full screen page in Internet Explorer. F12 key. To save as a document or file. Backspace key. Deletes one character to the left in a document. Delete key. Delete one character to the right in a document. Escape key. Cancel any entry. Home key. Move to the beginning of a document. Shift plus right arrow. To select one character to the right. Shift plus left arrow. To select one character to the left. Control plus Shift plus right arrow. Select to the end of a word. Control plus Shift plus left arrow. Select to the beginning of a word. Shift plus up arrow. To select one line up. Shift plus down arrow. To select one line down. Tab key. To indent the paragraph. Print screen key. To take a screenshot on Windows. Caps lock key. To type in capital letters or small letters. Pause break key. To temporarily suspend the computer's current activity. End key. To move the cursor to the end of a line or document within the current view. Thanks for watching this video.